Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word generalist. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. John is a generalist at the marketing firm, specializing in various areas such as social media management, content creation, and market research. A generalist is someone who has knowledge and skills in a wide range of areas or fields, rather than specializing in one specific area. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.